Hey guys, Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Another little project here I kind of decided to try and tackle. I haven't done dash. This is for my square body. And I know this one fits, so I figured might as well try and fix it. So I've already cleaned it now. I took all that, all the years of scum and Armor All and, dried skin and who knows what else. So it's all clean from, all that kind of junk. So basically this one here just has, it's cracked in here and it's just kind of starting to lift right here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all this shit out of here. And I bought some another product here that I'm going to use to try and repair this. And I guess I got to figure out how I'm going to fix, well, I guess we'll see here how I'm going to fix this area here. I might actually, I don't know, I guess I'll have to come up with a game plan for here, because obviously I can't be missing one side here like this, because it's going to look offset, see, because it's in the center. Otherwise I'd have to maybe block this one off, because there's no speaker under here no more. So then there's a crack here. This one's not lifting or curled, it's just cracked, so this one's going to be easy to fix. And these speaker holes are really nice. The rest of it's nice. It's not warped or it's not, it's perfectly straight. It's actually quite nice. So instead of spending $500 on a new one, I figured I might as well tackle it. I mean, worst thing that can happen is I screwed up, and then I will have to end up buying one. So I guess I'm going to do a few videos of this, and then I'll have to keep you guys posted here how this is going to go. So it could be interesting. And then I'll let you guys know what I'm doing in the process, what I'm doing, what materials I'm using, and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys are ever doing interior stuff for cleaning, this is the stuff to use right here. Super clean. And I'll tell you, it says dissolves grease. Does it ever? Super fast. So I cleaned seat belts on another car I did with this stuff, and I mean, they look brand new. It takes all the oil and grease and all the dirt and shit right off. It just literally runs right off. And if you just get a little brush, if you have to, like a plastic bristle brush, if you like to do this kind of stuff, just to kind of get in the little, where the pattern is there. Just a light scrubbing, and it comes right off. So, I mean, you can feel that there's nothing on here no more. It's nice and clean. So, that's what I use anyways. It's the best stuff I've used so far. And that's about it for this for now. I just washed it, so it's going to be wet. I'm going to let it dry till tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'm going to start hacking away on this thing. So, alright guys, so stay tuned for this project. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow on it. Alright, bye. Hey, what's up guys? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Alright, we got some action happening on this square body dash here. I started doing one side. This is the second skim that I've put here. The first one I just kind of put a little bit here to glue it together. And then I sanded it, and now I got a big band here to, just so it tapers off, because otherwise it curls up on the end here. I just want to make sure it's kind of level. And then on this side, you can see underneath here where I kind of glued up in here, around underneath the foam here, there was a big gap here, and it was causing it to curl up here. See the difference here now? See how high this side is compared to this? See, this one's secured now. It's actually looking really good. And now I got to get this one here done. See, I got to glue the bottom of this one here, and then I'll do this side, hold this down. And then once these are all level, then I can actually skim the top here again. I just got to get all these things here to stay in place. Otherwise, you're going to have a whole bunch of wobblies. That's the biggest thing, is to keep it. See how it's kind of curled up here? See how it's like a ski ramp? So that's what I'm trying to get accomplished here, is to get these things to go down here a little bit. Probably not going to be exactly perfect, but you know, something like this here. And that's how much this thing shrunk. That's why they crack, eh? These things shrink down, eh? But I'm getting it, so I'm gonna get this side done here now. And then probably by tomorrow I should be able to, because I gotta let it sit. I gotta glue it, let it sit, make sure it's really cured up good, and then I can do another little section. And then once, like I say, once it's in place, then I can do the whole thing and then sand it down. And you can actually do body work with this stuff. It's a little hard to sand, but it feathers out good. So I guess we'll see what we have here when we're done. So there it is. That's how far I've gotten so far here. All right, I'll keep you guys posted. Talk to you later.
Yep.
All right, guys, here's what I'm using here for this dash. Can you see it? I'm just going to show you guys how I'm mixing this stuff. I don't put the tip on it because it wastes everything inside here, wasting product. Cardboard. I just squeeze some on here, kind of like so, and I need quite a bit for what I'm doing right now, I think. So it's kind of like that. Then I use my popsicle stick. You're gonna need this. See, we're doing this here. I'm gonna fill that up, and then I gotta put some weight on it. And this stuff sets up pretty fast. Don't fool around. All right, I'm gonna goop it in here. That don't really matter. Hold on, let me get this on, and then I can get my spatula. What a mess! All right. Well, I got a mess going on here on my hand.
I tell you.
Got to get some inside here. Really get it in there. See how it's going? I'm going to fill this whole cavity in here. Same with this one. After. That'll be tomorrow, because this has to set up. See how much I used already? Look at that. It all fell down inside there. Look at that, eh? Just push it in, it'll kind of work its way in there. Okay, then my handy dandy plastic. Oh, I'm hoping it doesn't stick to my plastic tomorrow. Then I need some weight on here. And then I need some more weight. Kind of like that. And then like that. That's it. We'll leave it till tomorrow. That's all I want to show you guys. So we'll do another video tomorrow, and this is part 2. All right.